Welcome to this video demonstration of wireless token dialer system. The set comprises of a keypad dialer transmitter and display units. The system is very simple to use. Just type in the numbers on the keypad as desired, and then press call bell button. The same number flashes on the display console. There may be places where more than one display is needed. So we made a design by which the keypad dialer can transmit signals to more than one display units without interference. Right hash button is for automatic increment. Left start button is for automatic decrement. Pressing both the hash and start buttons resets the displays. The display unit can be hung on the wall or kept on the table as shown. The system is widely used in dispensaries, hospitals, banks and similar commercial institutions. Now let's see the video demonstration of wireless token calling system. For watching the video. Contact us for placing an order.